Not bad. Wish you're not very far away. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Eric here with Iraq Veteran 8888. All right, now I know we have not been to SHOT Show in quite some time, but we are returning to SHOT Show, and that's right, you're going to see a bunch of SHOT Show coverage coming out here from the channel, so stay tuned. We're here at the Strikeman booth, get things off to a really great start. They make some awesome laser training devices. They've got their Marksman Kit now, which is going to be hitting the shelves soon. It's a very retail-friendly packaged kit. They're also going to be releasing a SIRT pistol, a special SIRT pistol this year that is set up just for them, their own proprietary SIRT pistol. With Strikeman, the cool thing about these laser training units is that they're very affordable. If you use the code IV8888, you can get 20% off, by the way. The standard kit is $99. The Marksman Kit is going to be debuting in brick and mortar stores for $129.99. So you'll be seeing those hitting the stores soon. On the retail front, you can see they have all the different laser cartridges that you can use for all the different types of calibers that you want to do. They actually do have some of the oddball ones. I noticed even a 303 British, which is pretty cool. So you can do a lot of random training and stuff like that if you need to. Now, we already did a full video on this particular unit, but it does analyze metrics of your shooting and everything like that, keep score. It's a great basic dry fire training aid that can really get you in the territory you need to be in, especially for the money. Now, with a double action, obviously you can just continue to squeeze the trigger like I'm doing on this particular SIRT pistol. On a single action gun or anything that requires like a reset on the striker, you do have to manually reset the striker. So there is that factor to consider. However, for the money, these are a great option, and we want to come over and show you these Strikemans and their new SIRT pistol, as well as the Marksman Kit. Really cool stuff. Again, use the code IV8888 to get yourself 20% off on this particular setup. Really, really nice stuff, and it really provides some great training value to you for not a lot of money. It's a very affordable option with the Strikeman here. So that's the Strikeman SIRT pistol and their Marksman Kit coming out this year, brand new from Strikeman. So check them out. Really good stuff. All right, stay tuned. We got a lot more SHOT Show coverage on the way. We're going to be showing you a lot of cool stuff. Let's do it.